Welcome back, friends. Previously we started exercise 2.1 and we solved example from 1 to 6. Okay, today we will continue exercise 2.1 with example 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining part was eaten by his brother Somu. How much part of apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger part and by how much? First of all, we have to find how much part eaten by Somu. So, if one apple is divided into 5 parts, then only it is written as 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is what? From 5 equal parts, 3 parts eaten by Ritu. 5 part करो एप्पल ना અને એમાંથી 3 part Ritu eat કરે તો બાકીના કેટલા part Somu eat કરે હશે 2 parts. So, we need to write it as a example. So, we can write from 1 whole apple 3 by 5 part eaten by Ritu. So, part eaten by Somu, that is 1 minus 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5, it means 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5, that is 2 by 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 denominator will be same. So moving to take LCM. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 5. Means from the 5 part, 3 part is eaten by Ritu and 2 part is eaten by Somu. Now who ate more part? કોણે વધારે part eat કર્યા? Ritu ate 3 part and Somu ate 2 parts. Obviously Ritu ate larger part, so we can write Ritu eat larger part by how much? From Ritu's part subtract Somu's part, that is 1 by 5. Means Ritu e કેટલા part વધારે ખાધા? 1 part. Okay. Now next example. Example 8. Michael finished coloring of picture in 7 by 12 hours. કેટલા hours માં કામ finish કર્યું એને? 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring of same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer and by what fraction? Who worked longer means what is this? This is the example of comparison. You need to compare both of this fraction and whatever fraction is larger or smaller, then you can compare them. You can say which one is longer and which one takes lower time. Clear? So first of all, to compare 7 by 12, that is time taken by Michael, and 3 by 4 time taken by Vaibhav. To compare the fraction, you need to make denominator same by taking the LCM. So LCM will be 12. So here already 12 is there. This number need to multiply with 3 to get LCM as a denominator. So 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. How we can get 12 here? If we multiply denominator 3, same in a numerator. So 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Which one is greater? Obviously 9 by 12 is greater. Means time taken by Vaibhav is longer. So Vaibhav take longer time to finish work by how much time he took more? That is 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. It is 2 by 12. You can cut the common factor. 1 by 6 hours. It means Vaibhav take 1 by 6 hours more than Michael. Now we will start the next topic, that is multiplication of fraction. Okay, how we can perform the multiplication of fraction? Here examples are given. So first 2 by 3 multiply 1 by 5. Both are fraction. In a multiplication, no need to take LCM. Do remember, whenever there is a addition, subtraction and comparison. જ્યારે જ્યારે ફ્રેક્શન નું એડિશન સબટ્રેક્શન અને કમ્પેરિઝન હોય ત્યારે ડિનોમિનેટર સેમ બનાવવું પડે. બટ ઇન અ મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન એન્ડ ડિવિઝન નો નીડ ટુ ટેક LCM. You can multiply directly numerator with numerator. So here 2 is multiplied with 1 because this is same as 2 into 1 and 3 into 5. 2 ones are 2 and 3 fives are 15. If there is a common factor, then you can cut the common factor. Now next one, 6 2s are 12, 7 3s are 21. Also you can cut here the common factor like this, 3 2s are 6 and it is same as 4 by 7. This 12 by 21 and 4 by 7 is same. આ રીતે common factor cut કરીને answer લખો તો પણ right. Now if there is a mixed fraction, so first of all you need to convert this into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Now 6 7s are 42 and 5 3s are 50. Or you can cut here that is 14 by 5. Okay, both answer are right. If you cut the common factor or you directly multiply the fraction with numerator and denominator, answer will remain same. Next is multiplication of fraction with the whole number. Multiplication of fraction with whole number. In that what you have to do? First example is given 1 by 8 multiply 3. So here in a denominator that is 1. Whenever there is a whole number, it consider denominator 1. Means here 1 is multiplied with 3 and 8 is multiplied with 1, or you can write 8 as it is. Next example, 2 by 5 multiply 4. So 2 is multiplied with 4, that is 8 divided by 5. 6 by 13 multiply 2. 6 is multiplied with 2, that is 12. 13 in a denominator. 6 by 5 multiply with 0. So 6 is multiplied with 0. 0 by 5 and it is 0. 0 by 5 is 0. Next, 3 multiply with 4 and 8 in a denominator. Here you can cut the common factor. 4 8s are 4 2s are 8. So it is 3 by 2. Common factor cut karo to pan chalo. Or you can write 3 4s are 12 by 8 and then you cut the factor. It is also right. So what you remember in this multiplication? To multiply a whole number with the proper or improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction and keeping denominator same. Means જ્યારે પણ whole number નું multiplication fraction સાથે હોય તો whole number ને numerator સાથે multiply કરવાનું, denominator જે છે એનો એ જ રહેશે. Now next, a very important topic of multiplication, that is fraction as a operator of. એવા fraction જેમાં operator of હોય. What is operator of? That is nothing but multiplication. Of represent multiplication in fraction. So here one example is given, 1 by 2 of 6. It means 1 by 2 multiply 6. Okay, operator of represent multiplication. So 1 by 2, you can cut the common factor, answer is 3. One more example, 1 by 5 of 20, it means 1 by 5 multiply 20, 5 4s are 20, so answer is 4. Next, 1 by 4 of 16, so you can write 1 by 4 multiply 16, 4 4s are 16, so answer is 4. Next, 2 by 5 of 25, so you can write 2 by 5 multiply 25, 5 5s are 25, that is 10. So, in multiplication, what you have to remember, whenever there is a fraction in a multiplication, multiply numerator and denominator. You can cut the common factor. If there is an operator of between them, then you can represent it as a multiplication. So it means it's same as a multiplication of fraction with whole number or fraction with fraction. Now, using the concept of multiplication of fraction, we will solve example 5 that is given in your textbook. The statement is, in a class of 40 students, 1 by 5 of the total students like to study English, 2 by 5 of the total number like to study maths, and the remaining like to study science. So, in that first question, how many students like to study English? Okay, what is the statement given? 40 students is total number of students. 1 by 5 of the total number of students like to study English. Means whatever students are there, from that 1 by 5 like to study English. So we can write 1 by 5 of total students. How many students like to study English? 1 by 5 of total students. What are the total number of students? That are 40. So we can write 1 by 5 of 40. Now of represent multiplication. It means 1 by 5 into 40. So each student like to study English. Okay, now next part. How many students like to study maths? In the second statement it is written 2 by 5 of the total number like to study maths. So we can write 2 by 5 of total students like to study maths. How many total students are there? There are 40 students. So we can write 2 by 5 of 40. It means 2 by 5 into 40 of represent multiplication. So 16 students. 8 2s are 16. So it is 16 students like to study maths. Okay. Next statement, third. What fraction of total students like to study science? Now here in a question we have to find what fraction means કેટલા fraction લોકોને science ગમે છે. First of all we can find the number of students like to study science. How? From the total student, some students like to study English. Means how many students like to study English? 8. Some students like to study maths, that are 16. So if from the total we subtract number of students who like English and maths, so we will get the number of students like to study science. Total માંથી English અને maths જેને ગમે છે એ સબટ્રેક્ટ કરી નાખીએ તો બાકીના જે રહે એને શું ગમતું હશે? science. So we can write number of students. First of all we find the number of students like to study science is equal to total minus number of students like English and number of students who like maths. 24. So it is 16. 16 students like to study science. So fraction can be represented as total number of students in a 16 as a numerator. It means from this 40 students, 16 students like science. It means 16 by 40. Now, exercise 2.2, question number 3, that is in a homework. Here what you have to do, multiply and reduce to the lowest form. Lowest form means if there is a common factor, first of all cut the common factor. જો બે નંબરમાં common factor હોય તો પહેલા common factor કટ કરવાનું and convert it into mixed fraction. પછી શું કરવાનું? મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરી અને જો improper fraction હોય તો એનું મિક્સ ફ્રેક્શન માં કરવાનું. So example is first 7 multiplied 3 by 5, 7 is multiplied with 3, 21 by 5. You can see this is improper fraction, so convert this into mixed fraction. Clear? That is 4 1 by 5 like this. You need to solve remaining example. If there is a common factor, for example here in a 8, 3, so you can write 15 as a answer. Remaining example you need to solve by converting it into lowest form, and if it is in a improper fraction, then convert it into mixed fraction.